We have 4 divided by 2 plus 2 multiply 3 divided by 3. If you don't follow the math rules, you might split the tree wrong. Let's learn how to do division and multiplication first. Left to right before adding. So recall PEMDAS, right? PEMDAS, right? Parentheses first, exponents, then multiplication, division, third from left to right, right? So addition and subtraction from left to right, right? Multiplication and division have equal priority and must be done left to right before addition. So no parentheses, no exponents, we scan from left to right for multiplication and division and handle them in order. So first of all, division, right? So solve 4 divided by 2, 2 plus 2 multiply 3 divided by 3, right? So now multiply first 2 divided by 3, 2 times 3, 6 divided by 3. Now plus and division. Now divide first 2 plus 6 divided by 3, 2, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. So this is the correct answer.